Here are 10 of your favorite tips and tricks for Windows 11.
Today we will find out how to open heic files in Windows 11. Typically, you need to install the HEIF image extensions from the Microsoft Store. Click on the Start button and select Microsoft Store from the list of apps. In the Microsoft Store, use the search bar to look for HEIF image extensions. Select from the search results and click Get or Install. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open files using the default Photos app or any other image viewer that supports HEIC. If you continue to experience issues opening HEIC files, ensure that your Windows 11 is updated to the latest version and try restarting your computer after installing the extension. How to create a new user on Windows 11. Click on the Start button and select Settings. Or you can also press Windows and I to open the menu. In the Settings window, select Accounts from the left sidebar. Click on Family and Other Users in the Account settings. Under the Other Users section, click on Add Account. If you want to create a new user with a Microsoft account, enter the email address of the new user and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also add a local account without using any emails. Enter a username, password, and a password hint for the new user. Click Next to create the new user account. After the account is created, you can change its type to an administrator if needed. By following these steps, you can create a new user account on Windows 11. Turning on Bluetooth on Windows 11 is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Select Settings. In the Settings window, select Bluetooth and Devices from the left-hand menu. In the Bluetooth and Devices section, you will see a switch for Bluetooth. Toggle the switch to the on position. Also, you can enable Bluetooth from the Action Center. Click on the Notification Center in the taskbar located on the far right side. In the Action Center, click on the Bluetooth tile to turn it on. If the tile is not visible, click to expand to see more options. If you don't see the Bluetooth option, your device might not have Bluetooth hardware or it may be disabled in the Device Manager. Here's how to check. Press Win X and select Device Manager from the menu. Look for the Bluetooth category. If you find a Bluetooth device but it's disabled, right-click it and select Enable Devices. By following these steps, you should be able to turn on Bluetooth and connect your devices on Windows 11. To change the default browser in Windows 11, follow these steps. Click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows I. In the Settings window, select Apps from the left sidebar. Click on Default Apps in the Apps section. Scroll down until you find the web browser you want to set as default. Click on the browser you want to set as default. Once you've changed the associations, your selected browser will be set as a default for those file types and protocols. By following these steps, your chosen browser will become the default for handling web-related tasks. Adding a new language to your keyboard in Windows 11 involves a few simple steps. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. Select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Time and Language from the left-hand menu. In the Time and Language section, select Language and Region. Under the Preferred Languages section, click on the Add a Language button. A list of available languages will appear. You can scroll through or use the search bar to find the language you want to add. Select the language you want to and click Next. You can choose which language features to install. By default, the necessary keyboard layout for the selected language will be included. Click Install. After the language is installed, you can switch between keyboards languages by pressing Win space or clicking the language indicator in the taskbar. If you need to add or change the keyboard layout for a specific language, you need to click to the Start button on the taskbar, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language from the left-hand menu. In the Time and Language section, select Language and Region. Click on the language you added under Preferred Languages. Click on Options. Under the Keyboard section, click on Add a Keyboard and choose the desired layout from the list. Password protecting a folder directly in Windows 11 isn't a built-in feature, but you can achieve this using various methods. Here are the common methods to password protect a folder. There are various third-party software options available to password protect folders. Using 7-zip. Download 7-zip from the official website and install it. Right-click the folder you want to protect, select 7-zip, then Add to Archive. In the dialog box that appears, enter your desired password in the Encryption section. Click OK to create the encrypted archive. How to encrypt a folder using the built-in encryption feature in Windows 11. Navigate to the folder you want to encrypt. Right-click on the folder, select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, click on the Advanced button. In the Advanced Attributes window, check the box next to Encrypt Contents to secure data. Click OK. Back in the Properties window, click Apply. A pop-up window may appear asking if you want to back up your encryption key. Choose whether to back up your key. For encrypting a folder, another pop-up will appear asking if you want to apply the changes to this folder only or to this folder, subfolders, and files. Choose the appropriate option. Folder is now display a padlock icon, indicating it is encrypted. Any new files added to the encrypted folder will be automatically encrypted. The encrypted files are tied to your Windows user account. They remain protected if someone else logs in with a different account on your device. To hide the taskbar in Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click on an empty space on the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings from the context menu. In the Taskbar Settings window, scroll down to find taskbar behaviors and click to expand it. Check the box next to Automatically hide the taskbar. This will hide the taskbar automatically when it's not in use, and it will reappear when you move your mouse to the bottom of the screen. Taking a screenshot in Windows 11 can be done using several methods, depending on your needs. Here are the different ways you can capture a screenshot. Press the Print Screen key. This will capture the entire screen and copy it to the clipboard. You can then paste it into an image editor or a document. Press Win, Print Screen. This will capture the entire screen and save the screenshot as a file in the Screenshots folder inside your Pictures library. Press Win, Shift S to open the snipping tool. The screen will dim and a small menu will appear at the top of the screen. Drag to select a rectangular area. Draw a freeform shape around the area. Click on a window to capture it. Capture the entire screen. After capturing, the screenshot is copied to the clipboard and a notification will appear. Click on the notification to open a snipping tool. When you can edit and save the screenshot. Using a Snip and Sketch tool. Press Win, Shift S to open Snip and Sketch toolbar, or search for Snip and Sketch in the Start menu and open it from there. Use a toolbar that appears to capture the desired area of the screen. After capturing, the screenshot is copied to the clipboard and a notification will appear. Click on the notification to open Snip and Sketch, where you can annotate, edit and save the screenshot. Press Win G to open the game bar. Click on the camera icon or press Win Alt Print Screen to take a screenshot. The screenshot will be saved in the Captures folder inside your videos library. By using these methods, you can easily capture screenshots in Windows 11 to suit different needs. Creating a shortcut to a file or folder. Open File Explorer. Navigate to the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. Right-click the file or folder. Select Show More options. Choose Send to, then Desktop. Creating a shortcut to an application. Open the Start menu and find the application you want to create a shortcut for. Click and drag the application icon from the Start menu to the desktop. This will create a shortcut. Creating a shortcut manually. Right-click on the empty space on the desktop, select New, then Shortcut. In the Type the location of the item field, enter the path to the file, folder or application. You can also click Browse to find it. Click Next. Enter a name for the shortcut, click Finish. Creating a shortcut to a website. Go to the website you want to create a shortcut for, drag the website's icon from the address bar to your desktop. Today I'm going to explain how to hide the recycling bin on Windows 11. Click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows I. In the Settings window, select Personalization from the left sidebar. Click on Themes from the Personalization section. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings under the Related Settings section. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, you will see a list of desktop icons. Uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. The Recycle Bin will now be hidden from the desktop. If you want to make it visible again in the future, just follow the same steps and recheck the box next to the Recycle Bin. Thank you for watching and follow my next videos.